So hello everyone. So I welcome you all once again to the session of RCC structural detailing. So in today's session we'll have a discussion over the detailing of dogleg staircase. Okay. So we have to prepare this sketch, that is the detailing of dogleg staircase. So the given data here are, so this is the given statement. According to this, you have to prepare the detailing. So here you have to draw the plan and the sectional elevation of dogleg staircase. The staircase room size is given as 5900 by 3400 mm. Okay. Then the width of supporting wall 300 mm. Vertical distance between the floors is 3300 mm. Then the width of flight, okay, it is 1370, and even the width of landing is 1370. The riser is 150 mm and the treads are 270 mm. The thickness of face slab is given 140 mm. Clear cover is 20 mm. And next we have the reinforcement details. The main reinforcement is 10 mm dia at 120 mm center to center, and the distribution reinforcement is 8 mm dia at 160 mm center to center. So by referring this data, we have to prepare the plan and cross-sectional elevation of dogleg staircase. As I told you, this is the reference sketch we have for the preparing structural detailing. Okay, so we'll start with the AutoCAD now. Okay, so again you have to go to AutoCAD, you have to fix the units, limits, everything. Okay, so we'll start with the detailing part. Okay, we have the plan here. So the room size is 5900 by 3400. Okay, so you have to use again by using AutoCAD rectangular command. Okay, so you have to type dimensions. Okay, 5900 by 3400, enter. Okay, so we have prepared with the room size. Then we have the wall thickness offset of 300 mm. So we have to draw the offset here. Understood? Correct? We have the offset of 300 mm here, you can see. Then from that we have the first is 1600. The first step start at a distance of 1600. So what you can do, so we can draw a line from here 1600, enter. So you can make like this. Then after that we have to go for the treads. You have to show the treads. So 10 number of treads are there, and the size of tread is 150 mm. Sorry, the size of riser is 150 and tread is 270. I can check here. Yes, the size of tread is 270. So you have to give offset of 270. So you can give. Okay, so I'll just trim here. Trim. So offset of 270. How many? 10. So 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, understood. Then we have the line in the center. Yes, this is the center line. So that is also, so we'll check the dimensions here first. So I'll explode here. I'll explode. Yes, I'll delete this and this. Okay. Then we have the line. You can extend and you can give the door offset of 1 meter, 1000 mm. you can do the door of 1 meter. So I'll trim that. Yes, okay, fine. Now it is fine. Okay, then you have to give the here that offset also 200 offset. Okay, and the dimensions we'll check here. So dimensions, so from here to here it is, yes, 1600. From here to here it is 2700, and the landing size is 1300. Correct. So again we can give offset of 200 mm here. Can trim this. We can trim this. Okay, so the plan is ready. Just you have to show the hatching. So for that again you can show the hatching. So we'll move on to the elevation part. Okay, so we can extend these lines by using the construction line. So you can see we have the construction line. You select, and it is asking vertical or horizontal. It is asking whether it is vertical or horizontal. So you type V, enter, and here also. Then again construction line, we enter here, here, and here. Okay, so for the extension it is very much easy. So we have the baseline, then we'll move on to again the construction line, vertical, like this. So up to this, again one more at the end we can do at the end. Yes, now we'll start with this. So L. Okay, so the riser is how to snap setting, intersection. Okay, so S 150. So this way 270, again this way 150, this way 270, so on. We can do like this. So this way you have to prepare. Okay, this way you have to prepare. So you have to just extend, or you can make it 150, 270, 150, 270 like that, and you have to reach here. Then we have to give the waist slab thickness. So first of all you have to join these two. Okay, the thickness of waist slab is given is how much? The thickness of waist slab is 140, so we'll make it 150 here. So we'll make it 150. So 150, we'll take it as 150. So what you have to do here? You have to line. You have to draw a line here from here to here. Okay. First of all, from first riser to the last riser, you have to draw a line. Then you have to give offset of 150 mm. That is a waist slab. You have to give the offset of 150 mm. Then same you have to give the offset. Then you have to join that. How to join? You can use fillet command. So here we have the fillet command. So when you select fillet, it will ask radius. So radius R, enter. So you have to give 0. Then you can join. Click this, click this. So we have joined. Okay. So the other part we'll trim it. Yes. Okay. And next, same. You have to, again you can make a mirror here. You can make a mirror, MI. So I'll just select mirror. So this option is here, mirror, in the modify command. So you mirror it. So this way you have to, okay, if you mirror it, I think not possible here. With the reference you have to mirror it. Yes, this way you can mirror it. Mirror, no. So now you copy this select softer, you have to say move, enter, then you have to keep it here. This is over now. This you can join extend command, you can use extend command, extend double enter, so you can extend it. So again same thing, you have to use the construction line, vertical, keep it here, then you can extend this. So extend double enter, then you have to give offset of 150, then you trim it here, you can trim it here. Yes, this is ready now, this is ready. Okay, now the extended lines you can trim it, just you can extend this here, you can trim it, and you can delete this. Okay, now this is ready, and here also you can trim, you can extend this to here and here. Okay, so you can start this. Okay, you can prepare the detailing part now. Okay, now the reinforcement you have to show here. So the reinforcement given here. Okay, the reinforcement 100 mm at 120 mm center to center. Okay, 10 mm die at 120 mm center to center you have to show. Okay, so we'll show the reinforcement here now. So for that, what you have to do, you have to give offset of 30 mm. So this way, okay, and same this way. Sorry, cut down you have to show. This you have to delete. Then you have to say again fillet. Okay, and this side also you can extend this line like this. Okay, then this side you have to draw a line here again from here to here and give offset of 30 mm. Then fillet. Yes, not this way actually, this should be, you have to make a correction, this should be here and this should be here. Okay, like this. Yes, correct. Now it should be like scissor joint. The reinforcement I can give a color here, so bars, I'll make it a bars for okay, so this should be at a distance of you can give you can reduce this you can provide. Okay, then here also we have to bars, then again from here to here offset of 30, erase, then extend. Okay, this you have to show. So these are main reinforcement. Then after this you have to show the distribution steel also. So you have to draw that circle for that again, because the distribution should be dotted bars. Move. Okay, then you have to say copy. Then what you have to do, you have to say copy from here. It is at a distance of 100 mm from the center. So what you can do, so now we are prepared with the elevation also. Now we will give the reinforcement details. Okay, so we can give now we have to mention the text and leader here. Okay, so now again you have to use leader. So these are the main reinforcement. here. Then we have the distribution steel. So if you want to change the leader size, again you have to go to properties, or we'll make it later on. And then the distribution steel also, again you have to use leader. So these are the distribution steel. Okay, so if you want to change this thing, so you go to properties, you can change the size. Okay, you can make arrow size as 50. Yes, then match properties, you can match those properties too. Yes, okay, now you have changed the leader, so you can still decrease this. Yes, so now you have to go to text again. Where you have to go? You have to go to draw text, multi-line text. You have to draw main bars or main steel. Ten at 120 mm, 120 center to center. Okay, we'll just see here. So we have got 10 at 120 center to center, 10 at 120 center to center. Say, so I'll change the size here. So we'll make it 50. Say okay. So this is enough. So you can adjust this. Yes. Then same you copy here. So make it DIST, DIST, DIST. Okay. So 8 at 140 center to center. So this way you can perform the sketch and detailing part. Okay, then you have to show the dimensions quickly. You have to show the dimensions here. Then these dimensions already shown. You can show the hatch also. So I'll draw the other things you can perform. Okay, understood? Then you can write the titles here, plan and cross-section elevation. So you have to show the hatching also after the title and other things. So you can go to hatch command. Hatch, you have to go to ISO S here, select this. Okay, then say pick point, say preview. So you have to change. So I'll make it 250 preview. It is very high, so I'll make it 175 preview. Still it is very high. Make it 100 preview. Okay, so I'll say okay. So this way you have to do the hatching and other things. So same way you have to perform the other detailing, like you have to show the hatching of concrete, hatching of wall here, other dimensions very neatly. Okay, so this is regarding the detailing part of the staircase. I'll attach the soft copy also here. This copy I'll attach. So according to this you have to prepare the detailing of RCC staircase. And regarding this, if you get any queries, so you can write it in comment box, or you can contact me through email. Okay, thank you.